Hi everyone. Class 7th standard Kalika Chetarike subject social English medium. Already we completed for the geography part learning factor activity solutions for directions, maps and continents, and in today's session let's look about the learning factors climate and weather and the continent Asia, the learning activity solutions in one shot. Welcome to Dhanu's talk. Learning factor 19, climate and weather. Let's know what is the climate and weather. So we can say that the weather, day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. So condition of a smaller area at a particular time. For example, we can say cloudy weather, sunny, warm weather, right? And climate, it is the variation of weather condition in larger area and for over a longer period of time. So we can say that example tropical monsoon climate, equatorial climate, etc. So what are the factors affecting the climate of a place? That is due to latitudes, winds, distance from the sea, distribution of lands and water bodies and ocean currents. This one activities solutions alli explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Learning sheet 32. Activity 1, important latitudes are identified in this image. Write down their names and learn about them anta helidare. So already I said about the equator, right? So other latitudes, major latitudes are this line, Arctic Circle, and this is Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. This Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north and Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, Equator 0 degree, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south, and this is the South Pole and North Pole 90 degree. Activity 2, locate and list the continents and countries where the important latitudes pass through in the map. So now you know that imaginary lines, all this horizontal lines are latitudes and vertical lines are longitudes, right? So we have to locate the continents. And North America, this is Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, South America, Antarctica. Now we have to write the continents and the countries the important latitudes passes through. So this is the continents I written here. We have to observe that map. Continents that passes through Arctic Circle, observe ಮಾಡಿ, Asia, Europe, North America, Tropic of Cancer, Africa, Asia, North America, Equator, South America, Africa, Asia, Tropic of Capricorn, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctic Circle, Antarctica. Countries passes through latitudes, Arctic Circle passes through Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia, United States, Tropic of Cancer, Algeria, Niger, Libya, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Oman, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, Taiwan, Mexico, Mali, and Equator, Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Uganda, Kenya, Maldives, Indonesia, Tropic of Capricorn, Argentina, Chile, Madagascar, Mozambique. Antarctic Circle nearest countries are South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, Chile and Argentina. Activity 3, identify the climate zones in the map given below. Name and color them. Learn about the continents and countries that are found in these zones. So now you already know the countries and the continents which will for the latitudes passes through, right? So now ನೋಡಿ ಪೆನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So this region is a north frigid zone, this region is a north temperate zone, and this is the torrid zone, and this is south temperate zone, and this region is a south frigid zone. I told that ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now you know that Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north, and Antarctic is a 66.5 degrees south, right? And this is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south. This is north and this is the equator, right? So illi now this is a torrid zone, right? That the region between the 0 degree and the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south. This region receives the direct rays of the sun, so it contains a high temperature. Next ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಟ್ ಝೋನ್, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಟ್ ಝೋನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೌತ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಟ್ ಝೋನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ we can say the temperature neither very hot nor cold, and this region lies between, that is Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle. Fine. And this is Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. The next about the frigid zone, that is Arctic Circle to the North Pole and Antarctic Circle to the South Pole. We can see the coldest, this is the coldest region, because the temperature in the zone is very low due to the slanting rays of the sun. So torrid zone alli enagutte andre receives the direct rays of the sun. No, the frigid zone alli it receives the slanting rays of the sun. I hope you have understood. Activity 4. A list of cities and their temperature is given below. What are the causes for changes in temperature anta kelidare, right? So you can see cities and countries and the temperature, different temperature you can see here. So answer is, this is due to the latitude, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, ocean currents, clouds, rainfalls, etc. Activity 5. In every continent we see diversity in flora and fauna. Flora means plants and fauna means animals, based on the position of latitudes. So let's list that. Continents, 7 continents kottidare. Flora and fauna you have to write. Rivers and mountains and any one speciality of this continent. Space is very limited space, so ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ನೇಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್, ಫ್ಲಾರಾ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೋಲಿಯಾ, ಓಕ್, ಟೀ, ಮ್ಯಾಪಲ್, ಪ್ರಿಮ್ರೋಸ್, ಬಟರ್ಕಪ್, ರೋಸ್. ಫಾನಾ, so see in this activity sheet you can refer 104 page number for rivers, mountains and fauna. And speciality we can say largest continent. Africa, flora, rubber, rosewood, ebony, cinchona, acacia tree. Fauna, chimpanzee, bison, woofed animals, ostrich, impala, desert fox. Rivers, Nile, Congo, Niger, Zambezi and Senegal. Mountains, Atlas Range Mountain, Kilimanjaro, Drakensberg. Speciality, wealth of natural resource. North America, flora, mosses, lichens, cypress, maple, mahogany trees, pine, etc. Fauna, silver fox, black bear, polar bear, beaver, sable, etc. River, Mississippi River, Missouri, Colorado, Columbia. Mountain, Denali, Mount Forker, Mount Elbert. Speciality, land of prairies. Land of prairies andre idanna grassland anta heltare. Large area of grassland it contains. So land of prairies. Next, South America, flora, canopy, ebony, mahogany, rubber tree. Fauna, Canada bird, rhea, spider monkey, anaconda python, puma, jaguar, alpaca. Rivers, Amazon, Parana, Orinoco. Mountains, Andes, Mount Cotopaxi and Mount Chimborazo. Speciality, land of Andes and hollow continent. Europe, flora, scots pine, spruce, oak, ash, elm, olive, steep grass. Fauna, seals, whales, brown bear, bison, rivers, Volga, Rhines, mountain, Mount Blanc, this is NC. Elbrus and Shakara, speciality, rich agricultural and industrial diversity. Antarctica, flora, Mars, lichen, algae, fauna, penguins, krill, whales, seals, shrimps. River, Onyx, Alf, Penguin River. Mountain, Vinson Massif, Kirkpatrick, speciality, White Continent Research Station. Australia, flora, acacia, eucalyptus, cactus, thorny plants, ash tree. Fauna, kangaroo, wallabies, dingo, koala, emu, kookaburra, lyrebird. And rivers, Murray Victoria and Cooper Creek. Mountains, Mount Cradle, Bluff Knoll, speciality, flattest continent, natural wonders. Activity 6. What would happen if you bring the penguins that live in Antarctica to your cities? Think and answer. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ penguins in Antarctica ಇಂದ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ? So first we should know about its habitat, right? Penguin habitats include oceans and coast and adapted to living at sea. Inability to fly. If we bring to our cities, it will die. First E point na barkoli. Penguins habitats include ocean and coast. Second E point bariri. Adapted to living at sea. Third idana bariri. Inability to fly. Last one, if we bring to our cities, it will die. That's my learning, and this is teacher's feedback. Learning factor 20, the continent Asia, and with the help of your teacher, internet and your friends, you have to prepare activity sheet and display in your classroom. So ಒಂದು example ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Mountain, rivers, desert, animals, birds, area, population, total countries, major countries. So ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿಕಿರೋ ಒಂದು 6 ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ದಿಸ್. ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸು, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸು, ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ಸು, ಏರಿಯಾ, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಮೇಜರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸು. ನಂಬರ್, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಅಂತ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸು. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾಸು ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಏರಿಯಾ, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಇದು ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಡೆಸರ್ಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ಸು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯುರೋಪು, ಫಿಫ್ತು ಅಂಟಾರ್ಟಿಕಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತು ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ, ದೆನ್ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುರೋಪ್. You know that Antarctica no countries, right? And Australia continent. Next, this is the animals. Africa, North America dalli baruvanthaddu, South America continent, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. The last birds. So, Africa continent, North America continent, South America continent, then Europe, Antarctica, Australia. ನೀವು ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 19 and 20's activity solutions. If you think this video can help a student, kindly share. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾರು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೀಪ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.